Hi, Dawn Labert here, coming to you on June the 1st. I can't believe it. Wow. So, hello, June. Going to come to you with a quick market update today. Talk about a few things both nationally and locally here in the market. So, as you know, we have very low inventory, and that's nationwide as well as here. We've got some things affecting interest rates as far as this debt ceiling deal has made things go up a lot in the last couple of weeks. But last night, good news, it seems that because they have agreed to a debt ceiling deal, at least in the House, that the forecast for working that out and affecting the 10-year Treasury note, which is what the mortgage rates are tied to, should be trending downward. And I've got some evidence of that already. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and look at the market data. And we're going to look first of all at the weekly housing market data. So as you can see here, new listings, and this is nationwide, new listings are trending a lot lower than the last couple of years. So we've got 2021 and 22 and 23. So 23 is the blue line. You can see it's much below what it was the last 2 years. And year to date, we're way down here in as far as new listings. And as a matter of fact, I looked at some data that shows that we are at the lowest inventory at this point in time in a year for the month of May in history. Normally, May is the busiest housing month for new listings, but it is historically low nationwide. Now, if you look at that on our local basis, the closest we have here is metro area of Roanoke Valley. Get that up for you real quick. And you can see here that it's very similar. We're below the last 2 years and also below year over year as far as new inventory, new listings. If you look now at the median sales price, and this is for the Roanoke Valley, despite that low new listings, we are up in the weekly housing market for the average sales price. And again, this is for the whole Roanoke Valley, which is our MLS. Year over year, however, we've got a little bit trending down, but it's a little bit different at the lake. So looking next at mortgage rates, today we are at, let me get this other chart here. This is the yield of the 10-year Treasury. So as you know, mortgage rates are not tied directly to the Fed rate, but to 10-year Treasury notes and inflation. So this is trending down just in the last day. So that looks good as far as the forecast. So hopefully when all of this takes hold and worked out with Congress, we'll have better inflation numbers. And another report here that shows that the mortgage rates quickly were down just late yesterday, down to 2-week lows. So average 30-year fixed right now is at 6.88%. Okay, so now let's look at our local lake area MLS numbers. And this is year to date. So year over year from January to May, this year over last year. And you'll see in this that new listings, the first section is for attached, which is condos and townhouses. So for condos and townhouses, we are down 28% in new listings, and number sold is down 17%, but the average sales price year over year is up 47% on condos and townhomes. You've seen a lot of those this year. Now for residential detached single family homes, new listings are down 17%, and the number sold is down 41%, but the average sales price is up 5% year to date. So that's all very interesting news. We're hoping that the Consumer Price Index report, the next one comes out June 13th. We hope that's better inflation numbers because that will look at better interest rate numbers as we go through the year. So feel free to give me a call and direct message me anytime if you have any questions about either buying or selling real estate at Smith Mountain Lake. Also, I have a local Facebook group, Smith Mountain Lake People and Places. We're there for local events and information, everything you need to know about living at Smith Mountain Lake. So give me a call. Let me know if I can do anything to help you. Enjoy your start of summer and happy June.